On February 26, 2026, Trooper Billy Martin attempted to stop a Volkswagen Touareg for speeding on Interstate 49. Instead of pulling over, the driver continued southbound and exited onto the Fulbright Expressway off-ramp, ignoring the attempted stop and accelerating as he entered a more populated area. At that point, Trooper Martin notified dispatch that the vehicle was actively fleeing and the pursuit was underway.
Show you turning eastbound to Fulbright. Show me 10-4, 10-37. On the brake. TDM. 10-4 TDM. TVI, should you? Full right. 10-4 westbound, full right. Wrecked out. 10-4, wrecked out.
Pit maneuver caused the Touareg to strike a concrete wall before crossing the roadway and hitting a highway sign. The driver, later identified as Zachary Mason, fled on foot into a wooded area, but was quickly taken into custody by responding units. Mason showed signs of intoxication, refused a breath test, and was transported to the Washington County Sheriff's Office, where he was charged with DWI, speeding, and refusal to submit to a chemical test. On February 18, 2026, Trooper Hunter Schwantz attempted to conduct a traffic stop on a gray Hyundai Elantra on MLK after observing a cracked windshield and defective brake light. During the stop, he detected the odor of marijuana and ordered the driver, Kieran D. Myrick, to exit the vehicle for a probable cause search. As she slowly gathered her belongings, Myrick suddenly accelerated and fled the scene, initiating the pursuit.
I just got a question for you. Is there any marijuana in the vehicle?
No, but
Did you just get done smoking or something?
but I just did the hospital last night.
Okay. Was it in the car? Okay, so that's the smell. Do you know if there would be any marijuana or grinders or anything like that in the vehicle? Okay. The reason I ask that is because the more honest you are with me, and if I find something, I can work with you more. There's more discretion to it. But if I get lied to about it, I have less discretion to work with you. You know what I mean? So I am going to search the vehicle. I'll go ahead and have you step out, and if you'll leave your bag in here as well. Ready to go, 55 north, 55 south.
Myrick sped along MLK at speeds reaching about 90 miles per hour, weaving through moderate traffic and using the turning lane to pass vehicles before heading onto the Ushai 55 South entrance ramp. The pursuit ended when Trooper Schwantz executed a successful pit maneuver, bringing the vehicle to a stop. Myrick was taken into custody, and officers recovered multiple bags of marijuana weighing about 242 grams that she had attempted to discard during the chase. On July the 4th, 2025, Trooper James R. Reed initiated a traffic stop on a 2019 Buick Encore for traveling 74 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone on U.S. Highway 167 in Dallas County. After activating his emergency lights and siren, the driver failed to pull over and continued traveling southbound. Despite multiple commands over the PA system instructing the driver to stop, the vehicle continued driving and even passed another vehicle, at which point Trooper Reed advised dispatch that the pursuit had begun.
Go ahead.
As of right now, she's in a stop and she's traveling about 60 miles an hour, trying to get her attention.
10-4, 8 o'clock.
That sounds great.
One all units, that's direct for F-15.
Are you southbound? Yeah, 10-4. I'm trying to get some traffic off of me. Got a little bit of traffic behind me. Get this traffic back on the TBI. 10-4, I'm heading to you. I'm in Fort Eye. TBI.
10-4, PBI.
The Buick continued southbound while Trooper Reed remained behind the vehicle, repeatedly attempting to get the driver to comply with the traffic stop. The driver maintained speed and refused to yield, continuing down the highway despite emergency lights, sirens, and verbal commands to pull over. Once traffic cleared and it was safe to do so, Trooper Reed executed a pit, causing the vehicle to spin and come to a controlled stop off the roadway. The driver, identified as Patricia Ann Daniel, was taken into custody without further incident and transported to the Dallas County Detention Facility. She declined to answer questions, and her motive for fleeing remains unknown. On January 22, 2025, Trooper Jonathan Bass assisted the Sebastian County Sheriff's Office during a traffic stop near Highway 71 and Planters Road. While officers were speaking with the occupants, the vehicle suddenly fled the scene and drove northbound toward Fort Smith. Trooper Bass activated his emergency lights and siren and joined the pursuit as the driver continued refusing to stop.
We're headed back, North House. We're passing Wendy's, B85. Back on Chevy Blade. Tyrone Town. Turn in Village, South Martin.
Get out of the car!
They got a PEI around
Get
here.
out of the car!
Field.
Get out of the car! You're gonna get dog bit!
Well,
What have I done? Get out of the car! Here! Fuck it! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Fuck it! Here! Fuck it! Quit fighting my dog! Quit fighting my dog! Fuck it! Let him back out! Hang on, Bass! Fucking! Get the dog off of you, I'm gonna get out! Bass, back up!
Trooper Bass struck the rear passenger side of the vehicle while attempting to disable it, and Corporal Price positioned his patrol unit to pin the car, finally bringing it to a stop. After refusing commands to exit and reaching toward a knife, officers broke the passenger window and removed the driver following a brief struggle. The suspect, identified as David A. Bruce, was taken into custody and later transported to Baptist Hospital in Fort Smith for medical treatment.